Here are 10 relatively easy ways to make money with cryptocurrency in 2024, ranging from beginner-friendly to more advanced methods. Always keep in mind that crypto investments carry risks, so it's essential to do thorough research before diving in. Staking. Staking allows you to earn rewards by holding certain cryptocurrencies in a wallet or exchange that supports staking. In proof-of-stake (POS) networks like Ethereum, Cardano, or Solana, you can lock your tokens and earn interest-like rewards. The process is straightforward, and many exchanges offer staking options with just a few clicks. Easy for beginners with a long-term mindset. Potential earnings, 5 to 20% annual yield, depending on the network. Yield farming. Yield farming involves lending your crypto assets through decentralized finance, DeFi, protocols to earn returns. Platforms like Aave, Compound, and Uniswap allow you to deposit assets into liquidity pools, where others borrow or trade, and you receive interest or trading fees in return. Easy for intermediate users familiar with DeFi. Potential earnings can range from 5% to over 100% April, but risks vary. Crypto lending. You can lend your crypto assets to borrowers and earn interest through platforms like BlockFi, Nexo, or Aave. These platforms often pay interest in cryptocurrencies, making it a relatively passive way to earn income from your holdings. Easy for investors with idle crypto holdings. Potential earnings, 4 to 12% annual interest, depending on the platform. Airdrops. Airdrops are free distributions of cryptocurrency tokens, often given to holders of a particular coin or those who participate in specific blockchain activities. To qualify for airdrops, keep an eye on project announcements or hold coins on certain blockchains like Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain. Easy for everyone. Potential earnings varies depending on the project's success, could range from small amounts to hundreds of dollars. Trading and arbitrage. If you're comfortable with more active strategies, you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies on exchanges to profit from price fluctuations. Arbitrage involves taking advantage of price differences between exchanges. This method requires a good understanding of the markets and fast execution. Easy for experienced users. Potential earnings varies significantly, from small percentage gains to more significant profits depending on skill and market conditions. Affiliate programs. Many crypto platforms offer affiliate programs where you can earn a commission by referring new users. Platforms like Binance, Coinbase, and Crypto.com offer rewards based on trading fees or deposits made by the people you refer. Easy for social media users, influencers. Potential earnings varies based on referrals, but potential for consistent passive income. NFT flipping. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, represent unique digital assets like art, collectibles, and in-game items. If you buy NFTs at low prices and resell them at higher prices, you can profit. However, the NFT market can be speculative, so it's essential to research trends. Easy for crypto-savvy users familiar with NFTs. Potential earnings, highly variable, ranging from small profits to massive returns on rare NFTs. Run a crypto node. Running a node on a blockchain network, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, can earn you cryptocurrency in the form of transaction fees or block rewards. This requires some technical knowledge and a reliable internet connection but can be quite lucrative over time. Easy for tech-savvy individuals. Potential earnings depends on the network and node type, from a few dollars to hundreds per month. Crypto microtasks and paid surveys. Some platforms pay users in cryptocurrency for completing small tasks like answering surveys, testing apps, or engaging with content. Websites like CoinPayu or Lolly offer microtasks, while Brave browser rewards users in BAT tokens for viewing ads. Easy for beginners with spare time. Potential earnings, small but consistent payouts, a few dollars to $100 monthly. Hodling long-term. Hodling simply means buying and holding cryptocurrencies for the long term, expecting price appreciation. If you believe in the future of certain projects, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, this is one of the easiest ways to potentially make money with minimal effort. Easy for long-term investors. Potential earnings depends on market growth, historically, large returns over several years. Final thoughts. Success with cryptocurrency requires careful planning, research, and a risk management strategy. Diversifying your approach by combining multiple methods, such as staking, lending, and trading, can also help balance risk and reward.